Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to walk you guys through on how to launch a meme coin on pumpfun. For those who are unsure what pumpfun is, so how it works is that if you're a buyer, pumpfun prevents rugs by making sure that all created tokens are safe. Each coin on pumpfun is a fair launch with no pre-sale and no team allocation. So all you have to do is pick a coin that you like, buy the coin on the bonding curve, sell at any time to lock in your profits or losses, and when enough people buy on the bonding curve, it will reach a market cap of $100,000. Thereafter, 17,000 of liquidity is deposited into Radium and then burned. So these are the steps that you should take note of if you're looking to buy on pumpfun. But today, I'm going to teach you guys how to launch a meme coin. Firstly, click on the top right hand corner where it says connect wallet. From here, you guys can choose to sign up through an email or through a wallet. So for me, I'm going to choose my Phantom wallet. From here, I'll be asked to sign in, so I'll just confirm it and thereafter I'm logged in already. You can see that I have 0.17 Solana in my wallet and that's enough to launch a coin. So all I have to do is press start a new coin over here. So for the name, since it's the Christmas season, right, I'm just going to come up with something related to Christmas. Let me just enter Solana Christmas tree. For the ticker, I'll just put like Solmas, which sounds like Solana's Christmas. For the description, I can leave it empty or just add something. I'll just add like Solana's Christmas season. For the image and video, I want to generate something that looks nice. So I'm just going to use AI to generate image for me. So since I have Gronk, I'm just going to ask Gronk to generate an image for me. So generate me a Christmas tree with Solana crypto on it. Okay, so these are the images that Gronk generated for me. Basically just the logo of Solana on a Christmas tree. But I think I can do something better, so let me add degenerates around it. Alright, so I've managed to convince Gronk to generate a bunch of degenerates that is just sitting around the Christmas tree. Honestly, I really like this, but I don't know why it just generated me a bunch of different logo this time. Anyways, after playing with the AI, I've decided to just use this image as my logo for my meme coin. So I'm just gonna save this. And once I have the image, I can just select the file and upload it over here. As you can see, it's quite simple. Just upload the file and you're pretty much done. So there's more options you guys can do. So let's say I want to create a Telegram group for this coin. I can create a Telegram group and then put my link over here. Or if I have a website for it, I can add it over here as well. Same goes for Twitter. So once I'm ready, I can just click create coin. So once I click create coin, it will actually ask me how many Solmas do I actually want to buy, but it's optional. However, it is encouraged to help protect your coin from snipers. So I'm just going to buy 0.5 Sol of it. So I receive about 3.5 million of my own token. So once I click create coin, I'm just going to wait for it to load. And once again, it's going to ask you to confirm your transaction on your Solana wallet. And once you press confirm, you're pretty much set. You can see that the transaction has been confirmed. So the coin has been created. I can view it by clicking it over here. As you can see, I've officially launched a meme coin on Solana, which took me about less than 10 minutes, and that's how easy it is. I created this meme coin just to show you guys how to create a meme coin, so there's no intention for this meme coin at all, so don't go and buy it. So this is basically how you create a meme coin step by step, from connecting a wallet to launching your own meme coin. Now I'm going to talk about how you guys can capitalize on opportunities by creating meme coins of certain narratives that are happening at a certain period of time. For example, if you take a look at Luigi Mangione coin, I'm sure many of you have heard of the name because it's been all over the news. If we just search his name up, we know that over the past few weeks, we know that his name has been all over the newspaper and somebody took advantage of it by creating a meme coin about it, Luigi Mangione. And the coin actually went from 0 to over an all-time high of about 50+ million in market cap. And if you take a look at the top traders, there are a lot of people that manage to capitalize on such opportunities. For example, this user over here, he only bought $2,000 worth of the token and he actually managed to sell it for about 400 over thousand, which is life-changing money. After a while, the coin did die down because he got thrown into jail. However, over here you can see that the volume started to pump up again. And the reason why is because he's going through trials right now. And recently he declared that he was not guilty of killing the United Health CEO, and hence why this thing pumped about 300% again. So such narratives can be taken advantage of if you guys are able to be quick on your toes. If you were the one that managed to create the meme coin about Luigi Mangione instead of others, you would have been able to capitalize on such opportunities to get a good amount of profits. Another one I want to talk about is Unicorn Faddas. The name sounds stupid, right? Well, the story behind it was that this YouTuber created this meme coin called Unicorn Faddas, and his reasoning was, it's a meme coin, it's worthless, it's Unicorn Faddas. And he said, "Prove me wrong, I'm a 54-year-old almost boomer, first time crypto buyer, and started this meme coin within 3 hours." And what the community showed him was that they made this worthless coin reach over 240 million market value within 48 hours of the launch. Once again, showing that there isn't a certain level of stupidity you can go into launching meme coins, because anything can pump. So this is just another example of being able to write the narrative and play the meme coins accordingly. If you were on pump.fun during this timing, you would have made over thousands of dollars over here. We can just take a look at the top traders, take a look at the amount of people that profited millions and thousands of it, because they managed to play the narrative of the meme coins. So that's pretty much the name of the game. You guys can either create meme coins that takes on the narrative at that period of time that makes people want to buy your meme coin, or you can also buy into others' meme coin because they managed to create the coin earlier than you, so you just write onto their meme coin instead. So that's pretty much how you use pumpfun. If you guys want to take a look at coins that just got created, you guys can go on to this filters tab, go on to creation time, and from there you guys are able to see the coins that are being created every few seconds. The purpose of this video is for educational content, not for you guys to have a malicious intent to go and rob other users. So I hope you guys don't do that, and that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.